In primetime news this evening, uncertainty looms in the education sector as the JTA issues ultimatum to the Education Ministry.
Expect service disruptions. Health Ministry warns public medical consultants sick out.
And another protest over Portmore becoming the 15th parish. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, Fitch Ratings Agency has affirmed Jamaica's long-term foreign currency issuer default rating with a continued positive outlook. So, what does this mean? I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And he's seeing red tonight. Oh, please show the rest. Ronaldo Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, I'm not angry, so I don't know where the red comes from. But Jamaican women, they started their title defense of the Regional Super 50 Cup on a winning note. And Issa, guess what? They're not worried about the National Stadium track being upgraded ahead of the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. We'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports.
All right. Thank you so much, Ronaldo. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, are you concerned that the SSL matter has become overly politicized?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us in News in Detail right after the break.